Forgetfulness isn't just getting older. It's a sign that your brain's pipes are clogged with toxic proteins. Most people try to fix it with brain games, but they're just ignoring the mess. Today, I'm going to show you how to combine 2 humble pantry spices to create a potent brain flush that science says can actually clear out the fog. Think of your brain like a sink. Over time, sticky proteins called beta-amyloid pile up. They act like sludge, choking the signals between your brain cells. When those signals slow down, you lose your train of thought, you forget names, and the fog sets in. But here is why almost everyone fails. Standard turmeric powder is basically useless. Your body flushes it out before it even hits your brain. To actually clear the sludge, you need the active compound in turmeric, curcumin. But curcumin needs a delivery driver to cross your brain's security wall. That's where the magic happens. Research now shows that when you combine curcumin with specific compounds, and surprisingly, cloves, you boost the anti-inflammatory effect significantly. Cloves aren't just for baking, they are an antioxidant powerhouse that protects your neurons while the curcumin does the heavy lifting. A 2025 review of clinical trials proves it. The right form of curcumin doesn't just mask symptoms, it physically helps break apart those toxic clusters. And by adding cloves, you're adding a layer of protection against the oxidative stress that causes your brain to shrink. Think of this like a repair and protect team. One clears the mess, the other guards the door. Want to know the exact ratio to use? Stick with me. Don't just eat the powder. Mix it with healthy fat, like olive oil or avocado. Curcumin is fat-soluble, it needs fat to move. Add a dash of black pepper to increase absorption by up to 2000%, and a tiny pinch of ground cloves. Wait, there is a major red flag if you are on medication. You need to know this before you try this at home. Crucial note, if you are on blood thinners like warfarin, talk to your doctor first. Curcumin and cloves both have natural properties that affect blood clotting. If you're heading to surgery soon, stop this 2 weeks before. If you are clear to use it. Here is the secret to the morning routine that changes everything. Consistency is the real secret. Your brain is a living, breathing machine that repairs itself if you give it the right raw materials. This isn't a one-time fix, it's about maintenance. If you want to keep your memory sharp and your mind clear for decades, hit subscribe. We cover one natural, research-backed protocol every week. Let's keep your brain in peak condition, together.